Portable AC versus split AC. Which one is better for you? In today's video, we are going to discuss a very common question. Portable AC versus split AC. Which one is better for you? With rising temperatures every year, buying an air conditioner has become very important. But many people are confused about which type of AC they should choose. In this video, I will explain everything in a simple and practical way so you can make the right decision. What is portable AC and split AC? A portable AC is a movable air conditioner that does not require permanent installation. You can place it in a room and connect it to a window using an exhaust pipe. A split AC, on the other hand, has two units, one indoor and one outdoor. It is fixed in one place and requires professional installation. Cooling performance. Which one is better? When it comes to cooling, split AC clearly performs better. A split AC cools the room faster and more evenly because it has better airflow and higher efficiency. A portable AC is only suitable for small rooms. Also, it loses some cooling because hot air is exhausted through a pipe, which reduces its efficiency. So, if your main goal is strong cooling, split AC is the better choice. Power consumption. Which saves more electricity? Electricity bills are very important for everyone. Split AC, especially inverter models, use less electricity because they adjust their speed and work more efficiently. Portable AC usually consumes more power because it is less efficient and works harder to cool the room. So, for long-term savings, split AC is the winner. Installation and setup. Now let's talk about installation. Split AC requires professional installation, drilling, and proper setup. This adds extra cost and time. Portable AC is much easier. It is plug and play, and you can set it up yourself. However, you still need to install a window kit to remove hot air. So, for easy setup, portable AC is better. Flexibility and portability. This is where portable AC becomes useful. A split AC is fixed in one room and cannot be moved. A portable AC can be moved from one room to another, but in reality, it is not always very easy because the unit can be heavy and the window setup may not fit every room. So, portable AC is flexible, but not perfectly portable in all situations. Noise level. Noise is another important factor. Split AC is very quiet because the compressor is outside the room. Portable AC can be noisy because the compressor is inside the unit. This can disturb your sleep, especially at night. So for comfort and quiet operation, split AC is the better option. Price comparison. Portable AC is usually cheaper to buy and does not require installation cost. Split AC is more expensive initially and also requires installation. However, in the long run, split AC gives better value because it saves electricity and performs better. Which one is right for you? Now the most important question, which one should you choose? Choose a split AC if you need strong and fast cooling, plan to use AC daily, want lower electricity bills, prefer quiet operation. Choose a portable AC if you live in a rented house, move frequently, want a temporary or flexible solution, do not want installation. Conclusion. So in the comparison of portable AC versus split AC, there is no single winner for everyone. If you want powerful cooling, better efficiency, and long-term performance, split AC is the best choice. But if you need flexibility, easy setup, and temporary use, portable AC can be a practical option. Always choose based on your room size, budget, and usage needs. Thank you for watching HVAC Official Channel.